like to show you guys a very healthy, tasty and simple dessert. Coconut kidney bean soup. Let's start. We're gonna need 200 kidney beans. Here I use the fresh ones so that we can spend less time to cook and the taste also nicer. If you use dry beans, you can soak in the water in 6 to 8 hours before cooking. Coconut juice from one coconut. Remember that it's coconut juice, not coconut milk. Then coconut pulp from the same coconut. Of course, we have to use young coconut for this recipe. Some rock sugar depends on your prefer. You also can use normal sugar if you want, but rock sugar gives nicer taste. Some pandan leaves, but it's optional. You also don't need to use if you don't want to. Add beans and coconut juice into a cooking pot and cook in 15 to 20 minutes. If you find the coconut juice not enough, you can add more water. After 15 minutes, we add rock sugar. I forgot to say that if you use dry beans, you may need to cook longer time until soften. Add pandan leaves and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes, depends on the softness of the beans. Then remove the pandan leaves. Add coconut pulp and cook for another 3 minutes. Then we can off the stove and serve. So I got here really savory sweet soup. I'm pretty sure that those who love red bean sweet soup will be surprised of its taste. Hope you guys will try this recipe at home and let me know your thoughts by commenting below. And thumb up if you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe me for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.